What's going on, guys? It's me, Dreamliner Fan 2016 here, and today we have another Roseville International Airport update for you guys, and this will be for the month of July 2022. Before we get started, I do have a couple things to say before we dive in. Of course, we got all the travel demand and all that stuff, so you can expect some flight cancellations and many heavies that will be filling in for narrow bodies, since there's like a huge passenger numbers that are currently flying in. And of course, I'm filming inside my garage, so honestly, now when I think of it, I think filming in the garage is pretty much not my favorite thing to do. We got flies over here, as you just saw, so I would love to go for a new location rather than just a garage. So I'll keep you guys updated later at the end of the video. But with that being said, let's get started with our first aircraft. Currently pushing back at Gate Alpha 1, we have this United Airlines Boeing 777-200, and this aircraft will be heading down to Honolulu at 7 a.m. Currently pulling in at Gate Alpha 2, we have this Delta Connection Bombardier CRJ-700, filling in for a Delta Connection Embraer E175. Once again, Gemini Jets, I know I said this a couple of times, but we need a Delta Connection Embraer E175 in 1/400 scale. Like right now. We haven't gotten it this year, and hopefully by the July releases, we can get one. Anyways, this aircraft arrived from Seattle at 5:20 p.m. and soon will be heading to LAX at 7:02 p.m. And on the far right, we had this United Airlines Airbus A319. This aircraft arrived from Denver at 3:16 p.m. and soon will be heading back to Denver at 7:28 p.m. Both gates Alpha 4 and Alpha 5 are currently vacant, but we do have some aircraft that are currently taxiing, and I will go over later. Currently getting some catering done, we have this United Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Continental Globe livery, and this aircraft arrived from Houston IAH at 10:25 p.m. and this aircraft will be heading back at Houston IAH around 12:30 a.m. Now this is currently swapping in for a Boeing 737 MAX 8 because these MAX 8s from United are currently flying to Sacramento as of recent, and I don't have a United MAX 8 model as of yet, so need to get one at some point. But for now, I have this Continental 737-700. We do have some more vacant gates. We have Gate Alpha 7 and Gate Alpha 8, currently vacant, but we do have two taxiing aircraft that I will go over later in the video. Currently chilling here at Gate Alpha 9, we have this United Airlines Boeing 757-200 in the Evo Blue livery, and this aircraft arrived from JFK at 9:44 a.m. So pretty much like early hours in the morning. And here we have the rest of Concourse A, and they are all United aircraft. So let's start off with this very bottom aircraft right here, which is a brand new model that I acquired. And this is a United Airlines Boeing 787-9 in the Evo Blue livery. And this aircraft is swapping in for a United 777-200ER for an arrival time for 11:27 a.m. from Chicago O'Hare. And this aircraft is going to be heading back to O'Hare at 1:35 p.m. And I know this is a Gemini Jets model in their older 787 mold, but I'm still okay with this model. I know I'm not like a big fan of the cradle mold, but I kind of gotten used to it at this point. So I would say my United 787-9 from Gemini Jets is about okay. So yeah, that's that for you. And currently in the middle is this United Airlines Boeing 757-200 in the Continental Globe colors. And this aircraft arrived from Newark Liberty at 3 p.m. and will be heading to LAX at 4 p.m. And currently at Gate Alpha 12, we have this United Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Evo Blue livery, and this is one of these examples for these canceled flights because this aircraft arrived from Santa Ana. I think that's what KSNA is. Hang on, let me search that up. Well, I guess I was right. It's John Wayne Airport, or Orange County John Wayne Santa Ana International Airport. So pretty much got that airport right. So this aircraft arrived from Santa Ana once again at 5:36 p.m. and unfortunately it was going to be going to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Apparently it was canceled. So these are one of these example canceled flights that I'm seeing right now, and it really much sucks at this point. So I know canceled flights are pretty much bad for many airlines, but it is what it is. And forgot to mention that the 737-700 is swapping in for a United A319. So that is pretty much it for Concourse A. So yeah, that's about it, and pretty much we got pretty nice aircraft. I know they're all Deltas and Uniteds, but hopefully we can make it longer at this time, make some more gates, make this airport update a lot longer, but regardless enough, I'm okay with Concourse A as of right now. Now let's get onto some taxiing aircraft. We'll start off here with this United Airlines Boeing 737-900ER in the Evo Blue livery, and this aircraft will be heading down to Houston IAH at 4:15 p.m. And this is another good model by NG Models that I'm just so happy to have. And I'm also excited for the NG Models 737-900ER by United Airlines in the Continental Globe colors as part of the June releases. So I may be acquiring that at some point. I'm not sure if I want to get 2 or 1, maybe 2, or maybe like 2 more Evo Blues. Well, another Evo Blue in this case, but maybe 2 Evo Blues and 2 Continental Globes would be good. But really excited to get that NG Models plane. We do have another 737-900ER on the taxiway, and it is this Delta Airlines Boeing 737-900ER, and this aircraft will be heading down to Minneapolis, St. Paul at 2:45 p.m. And currently about to hold short on the hold short line. Even though there's no hold short line, we have this Delta Airlines Airbus A330-300, and this aircraft will be heading down to Atlanta at 9 p.m. So this will be the evening flight, which will be operated by Heavy. The main line will be operating the afternoon flight to Atlanta, which is somewhere around, if I can guess, that's kind of like around 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. I'm guessing. But this will be the 9 p.m. departure, and it's operated by Heavy. And we also got a departing aircraft, so let's go check that out. And currently taking off is our final aircraft for this update, and that is a United Airlines Boeing 777-200ER in the Star Alliance livery. And this aircraft will be swapping in for a United 737-900ER and will be heading out to Washington Dulles at 1 p.m. Once again, this is a very good model by NG Models, and really nice addition to NG Models' fleet, the Boeing 777, and really excited to see NG Models produce more Boeing 777s in the near future. And that'll do for this update. So, as always, I do have a couple things to say, so let's dive into that portion. I know this update kind of like went a little quick than compared to my other updates, but we do have a couple things to say, so let's dive into it. So first off, I do want to talk about the travel updates right now, and currently we are still experiencing some pilot shortages or just lack of pilots, if I don't want to get into a tongue twister. And I know it's like a really hard sequence for many people who want to travel by air, because we get a lot of flight cancellations because of this. Yeah, it's kind of like tough, but you gotta live with it. I know many pilots are kind of like short on staff, many airlines in this case is what I'm referring to. But hopefully we can get more pilots for many of these like US airlines, so we can get like more people traveling throughout the summer. And yeah, and second of all, I do want to talk about this airport, this mall airport, and currently what I do want to talk about is Concourse B. So currently I'm in the plans of starting Concourse B within this month. So currently I haven't bought any like wood materials yet. And hopefully by any chance, if ever I can like start Concourse B as of now, then I can throw it on the August update on the progress of Concourse B. Concourse B is not yet in fully functional as of late, but hopefully I can try to get all the wood, get all the spray paint all that, and nail in the gates, and hopefully by either September or October. Like, I'm hoping for like the September and October update, we can get Concourse B up and rolling. And yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing for this month. And as for a channel update, I'm actually almost onto 1.1k subscribers, so that's really exciting for me. And yeah, pretty much it's not a big milestone for me, but it's another subscriber milestone for me. It's a small one, but not as big as like 2k. But regardless, I'm pretty much excited to get 1.1k subscribers. Speaking of that, my challenge for you is if we can get 1.1k subscribers within this week, then I'll probably upload a blooper reels video for you guys. So I know like I kind of like get all things messed up sometimes, but I do want to like show you in a separate blooper video, which will be more enjoyable. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as always after watching this video, so I can get all the subscribers and pretty much the views. And yeah, I guess that's about it for this update and this video. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on that post notification bell so you won't miss a video like this anytime soon. And if you want to see more of my model plane content, then you can click on the card that's going to be appearing on your screen, and you can check all my model plane content as well as some airport update content as well. Well, technically no airport updates on my model plane content, but you can also check out on my KRVL updates if you want to go follow along from the very beginning. So yeah, I guess that is it for this video right here, and yeah, that is it. And I'd like to thank you all. Hang on guys, I kind of like get the outro messed up at sometimes, but yeah, so I would like to thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Anyways, good night.